Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Rachel Salas. You can call me Rachel for short. I'm 25 years old with live-in partner. Blessed with one kid, 8 years old. My height is 150 centimeters. My weight is 50 kilograms. I am high school graduate. I have working experience in Philippines for 4 years. I can take care baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, and cooking Filipino foods. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and I can follow recipe given by my employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow instruction. Thank you and have a nice day, ma'am, sir.